Hi boys and girls, we're going to take that beautiful abstract paper that we made with tissue and paste and we're going to make sure it's smooth. So notice I'm picking off any crunchy parts or papers that are loose, and it's okay that I'm kind of making a mess and I'm ripping things, anything that doesn't stick. I don't want it on my paper anymore. Now I have to look very closely and check for white space. I can use any colored materials that I want to fill in white space and continue thinking about abstract art. Abstract art is lines, shapes, and colors. We're not trying to make a picture of anything, rather just interesting and beautiful shapes. Remember to use a lot of color and fill in every last bit of white space so that your paper is completely filled. Even along the edges, we want to get rid of white space. So you can turn to a neighbor and say, "Did I miss any spots?" Notice how I'm still finding a few pieces to peel back, and when I do, I uncover white space that needs to get filled. Take your time, switch colors, and remember, abstract art is not a picture of anything in particular. So we're not drawing people or animals or cars. We're just filling in the space as best as we can. Then we're going to use the white side of our paper. So eventually we'll be flipping it over and starting something on the back. Going to make flowers with this paper. So these stencils that have the word art on them are the petal stencils. You'll flip your paper over to the white side and find a place where your petal fits with not a lot of space around. Notice how there's a flat side to my petal here? I'm lining that up with the flat side of my paper, and I'm squeezing in as many petals as I can fit. Make your petals practically touch each other, and again, use that flat part of the petal stencil to put against the flat part of your paper. Next, we're going to carefully cut out each petal, and we set them aside so that we can keep track of all of them in a bundle. It's so fun to cut it out and then flip it over. It's like a surprise to see what the colorful front looks like. Once you have every single petal cut out neatly, you'll put it into your bag and save it for next time.